Hello, my name is KVSK and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick fix how to fix the bad characters, these icons in DHIS2, mostly from the maintenance app. This happens on the Windows. For the Linux it's fine, but yeah, the reason is because of the Java encoding. So the newer versions, when we doing the installations, tend to have these problems that the icons are not showing properly. So what we have to do here is we have to go to our, let me just show you again. So we have to go to our installation where we have our Tomcat, the bin folder. So here you have program files, Tomcat, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat, the version and the bin. Then in there we have our service, the executable. So this one, the Tomcat 8W, this, if we double click it and open, this is the service. So here we see the Java on the Java tab. All what we have to do is we come to the options section, Java options, and in here we need to add this line here, this code here. So dash Dfile.encoding is equal to UTF8. So if we copy this and just paste into this section here, Java options, and paste that there, then we click OK. That is all that needs to be done. So what we have to do now here is we need to restart the service, the DHIS2 service, the Tomcat. Here we have Tomcat, it is running, so we need to restart this, and we come back to see whether the icons have been fixed. So once that is starting now, it will take some time to reload everything. I will fast forward this video, and once it is done, then I'll come back and show you how it is. Alright, so now that it has loaded, the DHIS2 has restarted. Let us log in again, the credential admin district, and we come and check whether the icons have been fixed. Okay, so here when we come again, let's just go back. If we come to the maintenance page, of course it has been fixed. The only thing you need to do is to clear your cache. Then you will see that the icons are there. So to clear your cache, press Ctrl Shift Delete, and I will just clear time range all times and check this one's clear data. And now if I come back to this, if I refresh, I would have to log in again and admin district. So now when we go to the maintenance page, the icons have been fixed. So that is it. I will be bringing out tutorials on how to properly administer the DHIS2. So we'll start from creating users, managing users, creating groups, user groups, organizational units, creating our data sets, and a whole lot more. So please just subscribe to the channel and for future videos, and thank you for watching.